I'm Lydia Wanyotu Mutende. Biggie. So you know me. So I've come here to pray, but also to join you celebrate the New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I wish you a happy New Year. A year full of blessings. A year full of good health. Don't fall sick. A year full of gifts and full of blessings. May you prosper in your businesses. May you earn some money. Money is important in life. So let's get the blessings at the beginning of the year. I'm so happy to have prayed from here. But you know, many of you who know me know what's happening. We have elections happening on the 15th of January. Have you heard about that date? Yes. On 15th of January, it will be a Thursday and it will be a public holiday. Just 10 days from today, you'll be voting where there is a polling station in this church compound. You'll be waking up very early, and I want to encourage you to wake up very early in the morning to come and vote for 3 of your leaders. The first box at all the polling stations in Uganda is you're going to vote for your presidential candidate. The second box is for the women. And that's where I am. I'm a candidate for member of parliament for Mbale City. This area is the heart of the city. So that's why I come to pray the first Sunday. To pray for because it's the heart of Mbale City. Amen. To pray for me, that's a request. To pray for me, but also vote for me. Amen. Church, I'm your own. I'm one of you. I pray for me. Please vote for me on the 15th of January. On the ballot paper, this face is there. But now this one looks small because I've lost weight. Campaigns are tough. Campaigns are tough. Someone pulls the gomas here, you drink water here, do this there. So the weight has gone, but this is the face. So the ballot paper. Then my name is Lydia Wanyotu Mutende, and my symbol is the bus. And then I am flag bearer of Women of Parliament in Mbale State. So the symbol is the bus. Please vote for me. I've looked for this vote for 15 solid years. 15 years. It's also been beautiful. The Bible talks about patience. I think I've been patient, I've been resilient, but my hope is in the church, amen, the fellow Christians. So please support me. Tell your neighbors that we met Lydia at the church and that we need support her. She's been on the ground for a long time. You know, in Lumasaba, if you're supposed to be circumcised, and every time you dance and you get circumcised, they call you Mugonera. But when there is a chance for you to get circumcised, they come very early in the morning and get you off the ground. So on the 15th of January, I have a chance to be voted and I get off the house. The flag bearer of the NRM party. On the ballot, you find there my face. It has lost a bit of beef because I was stressed and running up and down. But you find that it's full fiction, yes. I'm much smaller than I used to be, and I think Father cannot recognize me today. But because of the strenuous campaigns and some of those messages that frustrate us, we don't know whether we're the right track or not the right track. We want a vote as candidates so that we shall achieve what we want. But Lydia Wanyotu Mutende, the NRM flag bearer of Mbale City, Women of Parliament in Mbale City. This church is under the city. If it was even under, it's in the heart of the city. I used to come here with my late husband, the Honorable James Mutende, have mercy and to support the community here. Many of the people from Namatala pray from here, but this church is for everybody. So I'm back. I was trying to put the legacy of my late husband, and that's why I'm here. My symbol is the bus. So if you got the ballot paper, you find my face, my name, Lydia Wanyotu Mutende, and the symbol is the bus. Then the next to the bus is a box. So you either tick within the box or you put your thumb just within the box.
Otherwise, outside of that, everybody will be invited. So please vote for me on that. It is the 30th public holiday.